Hello Year 3, welcome back to your maths videos. Today's learning objective is, can I add two or more fractions with the same denominator where the total is less than 1? Let's start with our talking time. During our talking time, you can just say what I ask you to think about out loud, or if it helps you, you can write it on a scrap piece of paper. But what we do in talking time, I don't need you to upload onto Tapestry unless you really want to. So let's start. Kieran takes a strip of paper, he folds it into 5 equal pieces and colors some of them. Pause the video and try to complete the missing information as best as you can. So how many fifths of the strip is yellow? How many fifths of the strip is green? How many fifths of the strip is blue? And how many fifths of the strip is colored in altogether? And also, can you have a go at writing this as a number sentence? Play the video once you've had a go. Okay, so how many fifths of the strip is yellow? Well, it says fifths, so our strip is divided into 5 equal parts, and we can see that 2 fifths is colored in yellow. 2 fifths is colored in yellow. How many fifths of the strip is green? 1 fifth of the strip is green. How many fifths of the strip is blue? Again, only 1 fifth of the strip is blue. So, how many fifths of the strip is colored in? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fifths of the whole strip is colored in. Now, can you write this as a number sentence? Okay, well, let's start adding the colors one by one. So we knew that 2 fifths of the strip is yellow. 2 fifths. Okay, and then we know that 1 fifth of the strip is green. So plus 1 fifth. And then we know that 1 fifth of the strip is blue. And then that's equal to how many strips being colored in altogether? Well, 4 fifths of the strip is colored in. So the answer is 4 fifths. I want you to pause the video and think about what you notice within this addition number sentence when we used fractions. Pause the video and have a think. Play the video when you're ready. Okay, so we had 2 fifths of the strip that was yellow plus 1 fifth plus 1 fifth. What do you notice about this addition number sentence? Well, we've added the 2 strips that were yellow plus the 1 that was green, so that's given us 3, plus the 1 part that was blue, which has given us 4 parts. But if we've added the numerators, what's happened to the denominator? Well, we can see that the denominator has stayed the same. If we added the numerators, why did we not add the denominators? Why did the denominator not equal 5 plus 5, which is 10, plus 5, which is 15? Pause the video and have a think about what the denominator represents in a fraction and why you think it didn't change. Okay, so if we look at this strip, the strip is our whole. The whole has not changed. So whether we are talking about the 2 yellow parts, my whole still has 5 equal parts. And if we're talking about the 1 fifth, that doesn't change how many equal parts are in the whole. So when I am adding fractions, my denominator never changes if they are the same. Here, in this strip of paper, my denominator stays the same because the whole has stayed the same. So when I'm adding, I only add the numerator, not the denominator. Now that we've discussed this, can you pause the video and cut a circle out of paper? Fold it in half, then half again, and then half again. So you should be left with 8 equal parts. Then follow the rest of the instructions to follow activity 1. Play the video when you're ready. Okay. So you should have ended up with a circle that looks like this. You should have 3 segments in red, 2 segments in yellow, and 1 segment in blue. So 3/8 of the circle is red, 2/8 of the circle is yellow, 1/8 of the circle is blue, and altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/8 of the circle is colored in. Why is it 6/8? Well, because the whole has not changed and the whole still has 8 equal parts. So have a go at writing that as a number sentence, just like we did in the previous talking time slide. Okay. Now we've had, so this is what your addition number sentence should have looked like for activity 1. This is our number sentence from the talking time slide. Look carefully at your answers. Can you explain how to add fractions when the denominators are the same? Well, when the denominators of fractions are the same, we only add the numerator. The denominator stays the same. Okay. These are your independent activities. Have a go at completing them. You can draw pictorial representations to help you or to show you're working out. It's important that for every question, you don't just write the answer, you show you're working out, however way you would prefer. Whether you have things at home that you could use as maths equipment if you want to draw the pictorial representation, or you would like to show you're working out with numbers, so abstract method. Make sure you take pictures of your work to upload on Tapestry, and please make sure you also practice your times table rock stars, and I will see you in the next video. Well done, year 3. Bye.